Hi everyone, my name is Tim Brown. Welcome back to my Apple Podcast. Today, I want to show you how you can make your very own Memoji. Coming up. To begin creating a Memoji, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Then look toward the bottom and you'll see a menu of icons here. One will be an Animoji icon. Go ahead and select that. When you select the Animoji icon, you will see your Memojis and all the Animoji icons that you can use when communicating either through messages or through FaceTime. And what's nice is that all of these Animojis correspond with your facial gestures. So as I'm moving my head from side to side or up and down, or if I'm closing my eyes and opening them, if I'm smiling, you'll see that the Animoji will respond to your every gesture. Now, here is my Memoji. So you can actually go ahead and create a more naturalistic Memoji that looks just like you, at least close to it anyway. The way you do that is you go over to the plus symbol and you just select New Memoji. That brings up an interface where you can begin to select a variety of different faces and skin types and so forth. So let me just walk you through all the features. So let's just say if you wanted to be a person with this skin color, you can select that, and then you can use this slider actually to make adjustments. So if you want it to be less saturation or more saturation, you could do so to give yourself a little bit more color. And if you scroll down, you see you also have more options where you can choose freckles if you like, or keep your face without freckles. And then you go to the next menu option, which is hairstyle. And this is really cool because I've never seen so many hairstyles in my life. And I think Apple really did a great job in trying to capture not only different personalities and styles that people may have, but also paid a close attention to ethnic groups too. As you scroll down, you'll start to see more options for men. I'm going to go ahead and choose a really cool hairstyle here. And now I'm going to go ahead and go to head shape. And as you can see here with head shape, you have the option even to choose between ages. So obviously this is the youngest age. This is sort of like the medium age, maybe teenager. And this is more of an adult age. Since I'm an adult, I'm going to go ahead and get with that. But you can go ahead and scroll down and adjust the chin. Now you go ahead and move over with your eyes. And as you can see here, you got a range of eyes to choose from, and as well as eyelashes too. And then you can go over to brows and do the same thing. As you can see, you have a color option to choose from with the brows. And then you can go through and then choose how thick or thin you want your brow to be. Next is nose and lips. You can go ahead and choose 3 different types of noses. This is actually one thing I'm not too crazy about. Every nose is like a button, but I'm gonna go ahead and just stick with the middle one. And then when you scroll down to lips, you see you have different shapes. You can have some thin lips like this, or you can have some thicker lips, more kissable lips. And especially if you're a woman, you can have a lot of fun because you can obviously add some color to your lips. And then you can go over to ears. And with ears, you can have a lot of fun too, but this again is another section that women can just go to town with because you can have earrings. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick with this middle-sized ear, but when you go down here, you see all the earring options. So if I wanted to have earrings, I could choose those, and I could choose what kind of color I want the earrings to be. And again, you got the slider to make adjustments as well. Let's go over to facial hair. So facial hair, here you can see you have the option to add some sideburns. Okay, and then I can go down to mustache and beards, and you can see there's a wide range of options here to choose from. And now I'm going to go to eyewear, and what's really cool is you got color for frames and lenses, which is really cool. I don't wear glasses except for reading, and since I wear them a lot though for reading, I'm going to go with some glasses. And then I'm going to go over to headwear. Now this is where it really gets cool. Look at this hat. Oh my God, this is really, really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and click done. And it's going to add that now to my library. So, if I scroll through all of my Animojis, you can see that now this new Memoji gets added to my menu of options. Now, if you ever want to go back in and edit your Memoji, it's very easy to do. Just select the 3 dots in the bottom left corner, select edit, and then you can go in and change your features all over again. It's really that simple. You can also use Animojis and Memojis when using FaceTime. So when you go to make a call, you'll see along the bottom left a picture icon. You just select it and you'll see that menu of Animojis and Memojis come up. You just select that option that you want and presto, you're ready to go. So let me go ahead and call my wife Suzette so you can see how this interface works. And there I am, and there's Suzette. Hi Suzette, how are you? Thanks for helping me out with this little demo here. I'm showing everyone how to use Memoji and Animoji with FaceTime. And I'm just showing them right now how they can move the thumbnail along the screen. Can you see me pretty well? Can you see my Animoji and all my little funny little animations?
Yes, I can.
What do you think? Do you think this is pretty cool?
I do.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this, and I feel like a kid again, to tell you the truth. But there you go, everyone. This is how you use FaceTime with Memoji and Animoji. Say bye to Suzette. Bye, Suzette.
Bye.
Okay, so while Memoji and Animoji are really exciting, there's still more potential for this medium. For example, wouldn't it be cool if Animojis and Memojis could be accessed from the video app? I think that would be cool. Another thing that would be cool is if this same feature could be available in the Clips app, which by now is Apple's favorite app right now. I mean, they're constantly promoting it. Why not include Memoji and Animoji in this app? Now, if you want to take advantage of some of these other features, even though they're not built in yet, there's some creative options for you to use. For example, inside the Clips app, you can now take advantage of the new Scenes feature that comes with the app. Instead of actually recording yourself on top of the scene, just simply record the scene itself. And you can rotate in space with these, which is really cool. So you have a nice three-dimensional video background that you can add to your Memoji. So once you've done a screen recording of those really cool backgrounds that is in the Clips app, you can then use an app like, say, LumaFusion to key out the background, like so. And it's really that simple. I mean, obviously, a lot of these other apps open up a lot of possibilities for you, so it's up to you to be as creative as possible, at least until Apple can implement something like that themselves. My name is Tim Brown. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my Apple Podcast. Check me out next time. Who knows? I may have another Memoji.